Hi there everybody, and welcome to another video. On today's video I have this Mercedes GLA in which I'm just going to demonstrate how you could connect to your system, your radio system, wirelessly for using CarPlay rather than using a cable. So normally at the moment I have to plug this cable to the USB port there to my phone, and then I can get the CarPlay. If I disconnect the phone, then CarPlay disconnects. So on today's video we're gonna have a look at this wireless adapter, and this video is sponsored by Zen. So the product is provided by Zen. You can have a look at their website, and we're gonna see how this works. And basically it's meant to be like a little Bluetooth device, so you connect that into the port there instead of the cable, and then you connect your phone to this, and that way when you get into the car the phone will connect to this and then transmit wirelessly to your system. So let's have a look at doing that. So what's in the box? We have some instructions. Have a look at that, and we have the device, which is this one here, very small. And you have this cable here in case if you have if your car has a USB-C port instead of a USB port like this model has here, then you could use that adapter there. So let's disconnect this here, and I am going to connect the device in there. So the device is in there, and you can see a little LED flashing there. Right, and this will come up on your screen, and what we want to do is find, if you go to your Bluetooth settings, that name there, so that should come up on your settings. I've got my Bluetooth settings here, and you need to wait for a little bit until it finds the device. It should find it there. It says ALBOXBT3C39. So now we can click on that and pair it. Pair. And it says your car may request your contacts, phone numbers. Yes. So you can allow that if you want to. And it says connect to CarPlay, connect. And continue. And we're pretty much done. So now we are connected wirelessly. So, I don't know, I could play a song or whatever, but so basically that's what the device does. Now the little LED also has stopped blinking because it's now connected to your phone. So now if I'm just gonna switch the car off because I had it on trying to charge the battery. Technically it should connect straight away. Just gonna lock it, pretending that we're going. So I'm just going to unlock the car now, and then I'm gonna start it, and it should technically connect straight away. If it doesn't connect, sometimes you may have to unplug the little device and plug it back on. So let's see if it connects. Activating device. So it's going into that, and then so now it's connected automatically, and that's basically it. So that's what the little device is for, that there. So if you are interested in getting one, have a look at the link below. These are supplied, or well, sold by a company called Zen, and I'll add the link. But yes, so as I said, once you've connected to your Bluetooth, it should recognize it, and then you'll have your CarPlay on the screen wirelessly. But so sometimes, yeah, if you switch the car off and you go away and you come back later, if you find that it hasn't connected automatically, you may have to just unplug and plug that little device back in, and just make sure your Bluetooth is connected. So anyway, hope the video helps. Don't forget to like, follow, subscribe, and even better, become a member. You can have a look at all the videos, including the service of this vehicle. So having said that, thank you for watching. We'll see you all next time.